Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making a Tom Collins. This is essentially a boozy, sparkling lemonade. Sign me up! Now hop on the couch and let's open up. To start, let's throw together our simple syrup, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup hot water. Just stir to dissolve, and that's about it. Now to build our cocktail, we're going to use 2 ounces of gin, an ounce of lime juice, and an ounce of our simple syrup. Woo! That's about it. Just gonna shake it up with some ice. Okay. Just gonna strain it over some fresh ice. And top it with a couple ounces of soda water for all the Americans out there. Give it a nice stir, just very gently, and top it off with a lemon wheel, if you feel like it. Now that's a Tom Collins. Cheers.